Hi guys, today I'm going to have a haircut. As you can see, my hair is very long now. And because we're still on isolation and the barbers are not open, so Bishop, my barber, right there, will be giving me a haircut. So hopefully it would work. Let's see if he's good at this.
No, not number one.
No, not number one, number two.
Number 2.
Number twos. This looks alright. I'm mildly shocked. I'm sure there'll be some haters, but and also the look on my face while I'm trying to do it is like abject horror and concentration. You want this shorter?
Yeah, it's kind of like this line.
Yeah.
As you can see. Yeah, you can just like follow that.
Okay. Okay. Let's go with that. Or gel, whatever you use.
Okay. Ooh. I'm done. Look at that. Looks good actually.
Get it wet and see what happens.
Yeah. Go for a shower. So hi guys, this is the finished product. It's cool. It's like a professional who did it.
Yeah, right.
Oh, that is
Okay,
so this is
give us a 12.
Good.
Give us a slow 12.
There you go. That's the edges of it.
Not too bad.
Not too bad. Not too bad.
There's a slight. Oh, hang on. There's a bit of a fade going on.
Yeah, I know. That's good.
Yeah, can you come back? Come back. So you see your pretty face. Happy?
Yep. Thank
Sure.
you very much. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. Make sure you press the subscribe button below. Like, comment, and share. And comment something back and press the bell so that you can see our videos every week. So from all of us here in the Traveling Hobbit, always remember, guys, create happy memories and always keep smiling.